Hey Elvis, so this is the video that I'm trying to show you how to format your texts. So first things first, I change it to 12-point font, I go to Times New Roman, and then I come over here and I hit double spacing. So you first start off by adding your header. So you would type your name, so I'll type my name. And then, oh, that's not how you spell my name, okay. And then you type your teacher's name. So I have a Professor Van Vick. And then I have a class, right? So you write your class. So this would be English 12B. And then this is where you typically put the date, but since OFY is not super into dates, we'll put the unit instead. So unit 6. You come over here and you press center line, and then you could write performance task number 2, or you could give it an actual title, whatever you want to do. I'm totally fine with either. Then we start with our introduction, right? So I have a hook here. What do you know about Old English government? Did you know there was voting and reform? Something like that, right? I give some background. So background information on England and voting. And then I would have my thesis, which would be something like, what would it be? So England struggled with voting reform, so there were speeches given. One was on the need for it, one was against it, and the last was about passing it. There you go. So there's my first paragraph, right? We hit enter, and then we'll enter in all of that information about the speech that we went through that last time. And then after we do that, we'll go through and do the same thing for the next one, and then the one after that, and then the conclusion. The conclusion will just be something like taking this thing right here, right? Paste. This is important to us today because we still struggle with voting rights here in America. And then maybe talk a little bit about that. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Then, you know, Ing 12B, performance task 2. I titled it there, and then share it with me, and you're all good. If you have any questions, let me know.